Like, when I hit 25, I was like, oh my god, I should boo-boo, that's so exciting for me. And then when I hit 50, but I didn't do anything, but I feel like I should. Why are you giving me so many X's? Are you saying I'm ugly? Are you, like, Xing me? Which is not nice. I'm assuming that's what you're doing. So I'm muting you. Huh. Okay, guys. Guys. You know what I want to do? I want to start doing, like, a challenge in, like, the new year. I want to do something every single day. So what should I do? I'm going to start trying the splits challenge again because I gave up on, like, day 2 last time. And that was, like, 6 weeks ago. So I could have already been done. I could have already been doing the splits. So we're not giving up this time. So we're going to do that again. But what else should I do? Give me something else. Anything? You know where I want to go? You think thrift stores are open today? Do you think so? Because a lot of people do like a New Year clean out thingy. So you think thrift stores are open? But I will say, I have not found a single good thrift store in North Carolina. It's trash. Okay. Bye. What did he say? What was out of hand? Was it offensive? Oh, wait, I didn't see what you said. How was staying in? Oh, it was fine. Didn't really do anything.